Hi, this is Daryl from Assembly. I'm in the lighting area right now, and I had an idea for a 2-second lean, and so I'm going to show you the before. I'm going to be drilling a channel here for the wiring on our lighting. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you what that looks like and the dust that I'm getting from this. So you can see there's quite a bit of dust coming out, and I still have to go further yet, so I'm going to get even more dust here yet. So I've got an idea of how to improve that, and so we'll do the improvement here and we'll show you the difference. So what I've got here, I've got a 3D printed dust collector hose here that Young, the master 3D printer from engineering, made for me. So we're going to try this out, and what we're doing here is connecting up our dust collection hose that we have here. So I'm going to be hooking this up onto here, and we'll see what that looks like. So as you can see, there's no dust coming out here. Um, it works better than I thought it would. So that's a pretty cool improvement. So thanks, Young, for doing the work again on the 3D printing. That's it. Thanks.